friends, welcome to my cottage in this rainy afternoon in North Carolina. Happy Easter. And today I want to share my latest spread from my journal just because. We have been on a deserved vacation to the Riviera Maya, and I came up with a whimsical spread to depict a little bit the different stages of that trip. As usual, I created my spread onto a cardboard from a cereal box. That's how that whole journal is created. And I used different materials. I wanted to include some real pictures of us, and so I had a set, a journaling set that had these little frames, so I took advantage of them. I deconstructed the set, and that's how I came out with these perfect squares, and I added some embellishment and some wordings to them. So this is us on our trip. In this particular picture, we are traveling to Isla Mujeres in Cancun, and you can see us in the boat. That's my daughter and my husband, and I used to embellish these frames some stickers from Dollar Tree. These particular ones, the ones that are a little bit more Caribbean look, they are from a collection that they probably took out 3 years ago, and these ones that are more pastel colors is from I think Lil Swap, and they were sold at Dollar Tree last year. So I saved them for a special occasion. That's how I came out with the wording and the pastel stickers. So in this particular picture, we are in Cancun on a boat. So we have there some wordings, and what I did is I used the back to journal with. I always like to incorporate things from the trip into the spread. I wrote many things. I didn't have space though for to use everything that I had. So in this particular spread, I decided to go with the wristbands, and we have this one here that it was given to us at the port when we took this particular boat. When we paid for the you have to pay like some money at the port, so we were given this. And this one here was in order that when we get into the island, we can take our place in the buffet. These stickers here are also from Lil Swap, and they are not random stickers. When we got there, they gave us a beautiful straw and hat basket, so I carried my straw basket everywhere with me in the trip. And then of course in the Caribbean you have to wear sunglasses. It was very hot and humid. So in the central portion of the spread, I decided to write something regarding our trip. It's very brief because of course you know, I journaled the whole trip in my travel journal, but that's only for writing, and I included a watercolor in it, a failed one. I'm gonna add it at the end of this video. I'm gonna put some pictures of the trip, and you will be able to see it there. I tried to do a watercolor al fresco at the beach, and it was a complete failure. but this is another topic. So what I did is I added some wording and then a plane as a sticker from also Dollar Tree. This is another wristband that we wore, and I have, you can see that I didn't turn there where I was wearing it because it was kind of also a business trip, so I included it there. And then I added a surfboard there, some coconuts, and some seashells. These fish here are press-on stickers. They were given to me by a friend, and what I did here is I created some characters for the three of us, and you can remove them in order to read the journaling portion, and you can place them wherever you want after you finish reading the portion. So I also went ahead and used some wordings from my cutouts from different magazines, and basically this is a spread. So I hope you enjoyed it. It's a very whimsical and kind of loose style to keep track of a journey or a trip. I hope you like this idea. If you did, please leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and don't miss out the real pictures of the trip in the back of this video. Bye!